Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, first let's hold down power key, and when this turn off menu appears, hold down your finger on power off. Then when it suggests you to reboot to safe mode, just tap OK, and device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So when you're done using safe mode, what you have to do is to just restart your device in order to quit it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.